Over the past couple of days to weeks, we have been experiencing a number of conflicts that has been taking place in around the Westmoreland space. And these conflicts have only served to heighten the tensions in the area and has served to undermine or impact the efforts or the intervention efforts of both the police and our external partners. So over the last couple of days, we have been conducting a number of operations in and around the parish. Currently, we are conducting an operation in the Barracks Road area of Sav. This area is popularly known as Gully Bank. We currently have a 48-hour curfew that is in place in this space, and we are conducting a number of cordon searches. We have assets from Kingston that are assisting us. It's the search center, we have the military, we have our area assets, and we have the police from within the space. So far, we have managed to recover 2 shotguns, and a number of violence producers have been taken into custody. Persons who are currently under investigations, and they are currently in custody being processed. Now, over the next couple of days to weeks, you will see a number of these operations taking place across the parish, because we intend to continue these operations until we can de-escalate the tensions that are taking place, so that we can resume, when we bring back the place to normalcy, so that we can resume our intervention efforts. I just want it to be known that we will be holding the space right through tonight into tomorrow, and if needs be, we'll go further. And I want anybody who is out there, who is in the space, that has any information, know where there's a gun hidden, or any person who the police might have interest in, to just pass on the information while we are still on the ground, because the gun that you might refuse to tell us about might just be turned on you or some of your family or someone that you know tomorrow. So seize the opportunity while you have the military, the police within the space, and pass on the information so that we can do a thorough search throughout the space and try to make it safer for you and your family. The persons who are in these conflicts are persons who have been known to each other over the years. Some of them have even been friends, and you find that they have conflicts over sometimes some silly issues, and people end up being killed. And when somebody is killed, you know, there's gonna be somebody to be killed. So we have reprisals and we have counter reprisals, and these conflicts continue. Another thing that has been happening is that in the latter part of last year, mid to latter part of last year, we had a majority of the main violence producers were in custody. And over the last couple of months, weeks, months, a number of them have received bail, and they have come back out on the street, and they have all taken up where they left off. And so we have been working assiduously to you know, get them back in custody, and to ensure that we can make the space safe again for the decent, law-abiding citizens that are within the parish.